righty. So some of you have already seen this part, and that's okay. You'll be experts at this part. Your job is to turn your book or your paper, your notes, into a book. We talked about the cover of the book. Is this what our cover of our book is going to look like? No. As you know, we have printed off many real photos of the people that you are writing about, and we will use that for the cover. Okay, so cover you can skip for right now. On the inside, we've talked about our table of contents. Your table of contents, we're all going to say contents at the top, and we all say glossary in the bottom. Where did I get these ideas of singer, stage fright, and confident? Where did those come from? Dominic? Yeah, they're right on my paper. Look where it says heading 1, singer. Heading 2, stage fright, character trait, confident. I just copied those, singer, stage fright, confident, onto my contents. And you can see I did the page numbers down the side. My next stop after I get the contents page done is to start working on the pages. Now, where did I get this idea? Benson?
Your paper.
Yeah, again, I know we've talked about not copying off other people, which are we supposed to copy off other people? No, but who am I copying off here?
Yourself.
Myself. I'm copying off me. So that's okay, because I already did the work. So, on my paper right here, do you see there's heading 1, singer. So look up here. I did the heading, singer. And then down here, my sentence, Ella Fitzgerald was the first lady of jazz because she was a great singer, great jazz singer. So I just copied off myself. Ella Fitzgerald was the first lady of jazz because she was a great singer. So I'm just copying my heading 1 on this page, heading 2 on this page, and you'll notice there's spots for page numbers down at the bottom. And then I'll do my character trait on the 3rd page, and then I'm left over with this last page here. This is one we haven't really talked about yet. We're left with that last page there. Who knows what that last page is? If you were watching my contents, you have a sneak peek. Kaylin, what's that last page? The glossary. So at the top, I will write glossary. And then I have this little short word or short line right here. What do you think might go on that short line? Benjamin? Yeah, the character trait that I chose, to describe, and mine was confident, which some of you might have chosen confident as well. Come on. We talked about, Mrs. McKenzie, we talked about swapping the ladybugs out. Since this one, I wouldn't be sad about it.
It can hurt.
So my character trait here was confident. And then what do you think I'm going to write down here on these lines? Bryn?
All the headings.
No, I'm not going to write my headings. Georgia? Exactly, what confident means. Don't worry about that part. Mrs. McKenzie and I are working to come up with kind of what the definitions or what these things mean. So once you get to this part, we can help you with that. at the bottom. Now, I know on the front cover I'm going to do a real photo.
Yep.
Table of contents doesn't need a picture. What about pages 2 and pages 3 and pages 4 here? What about these pages? Okay, now are we going to be able to get real photos for every single one of those pages? No. So how do you think we are going to get pictures on those pages? Josie? Yeah, we're going to draw them, or you are going to draw them. So, Tamia, you were working on drawing yesterday, and you came up with some really great ideas, didn't you? Tamia's person is Rosie Mason. Tell them one of the pictures you thought of to draw.
I thought of my aunt arresting a bad guy.
Yeah, so she knew Rosie Mason was a police officer, so she was going to draw a picture of her in action doing her job, like arresting a bad guy. So for each of these pages, think about what could you show your person doing. Some people also yesterday wanted to use their iPad and get on PebbleGo and look and see. Well, can I look and see what Patrick Mahomes looks like? Sure. If you need to look at your person so you know what they look like, that's fine too. What do you think I should use to do my illustrations? Carver, what should I use to do my illustrations? Pencil and what else? Benjamin? No markers. Deacon? Crayons. So yeah, I would definitely do the drawing in pencil first. That way I can make it look how I want if I need to erase or change things. And then go back and do pictures in color. Okay, with crayons. Now remember, these books are going to be part of your showcase. You're going to share these with your moms and dads and family members. So am I going to want to do my best scribble scrabble? No, we want to take our time and make these look amazing. Okay. We're going to divide up a little bit differently today. Yesterday, I took friends who had a book. Today, I'm going to do the opposite. If you do not have a book, then I need you to line up at the door with your red folder and your school box. If you do not have a book, line up at the door with your red folder and